just pretend to be with her all day. Remember the feeling when you first held hands today. Imagine her in your favorite white dress, smiling at you as if she thinks that you're the best. She tells you you and me, sitting on a tree, getting higher, C-I-N-G. You told her, baby, hear me out, will you marry me tonight? We're in this make-believe reality, and baby, it's just you and me. Make-believe reality, but baby, this is killing me. Make-believe, make us live tonight.
Happy anniversary. Ingat ka palagi. Mag-aasik ka mo.
Happy birthday, Aika! I wish you all the best. Sana lahat ng wish mo, lahat ng dream mo sa buhay mga dream mo. Nalagaan na. Kaya mo sila para kasi. Kaya mo yun. Kaya mo talaga yun. Sa happy birthday.
Yes, Aika. Happy birthday. Ngayon, dalaga ka na. Sana alam mo yung limitations mo. Then, I hope na talagang pagbutihan mo pag-aaral mo. Talagang alam mo yung priorities mo muna talaga.
Hi, Aika! Happy birthday! Mag-aaral ka mabuti ah! Uy, ikaw man talaga ate. Sige ulit, happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye, love you! Ingat lagi!
18th birthday, Aika. Sana mag-aaral ka mabuti. Ingat palagi. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw na rin.
You knew right from the start that she's such a boy killer. Don't die yet tonight.
It's birthday! Wish you all the best! Love you!
Aika, 18th birthday. Sana rin si Baby Jowa. Tapos more birthdays to come sa birthday ko.
Birthday Jomar! Ay, Aika pala! Birthday Aika! God bless!
Aika, happy 18th birthday. Lahat ng wishes ko para sa'yo, sana maging successful ka sa future life mo, sa magiging love life mo. Tapos, sa study, sana galingan mo.
Ayun, kaya Aika, waiting ka na pa yata yung sinasabi sa amin. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy 18th birthday. Ayun, sana ma-appreciate mo yung effort itong Labi Dogs mo. Saka happy birthday na rin sa lahat na from us sa student council. Sana naging masaya ka as part ng council family. And sana next year, kayo, Niljo Max, ikaw, nandito pa rin ngayon sa council. Ayun. So, again, happy 18th birthday.
Hey, daydreamer. Hey, daydreamer. You gotta be prepared to leave her in your fantasy, 'cause when it's over, you gotta make sure that it's you who'll be with her. Hey, daydreamer. You gotta be prepared to leave her in your fantasy, 'cause when it's over, you gotta make sure that it's you who'll be with her.
One, two, 3, 4.
Give me more love than I've ever
Aika,
had.
happy 18th birthday. Pagpatuloy mo na yung pagiging outstanding mo sa home arts, lalo na sa SC. Dito lang ako lagi, dito lang kami lagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Aika! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best at sana bumayat ka. Thank you!
Hello, happy birthday Aika. Ngayon lang I wish you all the best. Sana maging masaya ka, more power sa inyo ni Jomar, at saka sana mas marami pang graduation na pagsamahan. Ngayon lang.
Hi, Ate Aika! Happy 18th birthday! Take over to God and have a blessed your birthday. Bye-bye!
sana maging yan lang. Thank you. Hi, Te. Aika, happy eating birthday. Sana mag-work palalo yung relationship niyo ni Jomar. Tsaka, alam mo yun, mahal na mahal kita. First year pa lang. Tsaka, sayang naman yun eh.
Hi, babe. Happy birthday, Bebe. Happy birthday, Luka. I love you. Hi, Jade. Happy birthday. Matagal na pinagsamahan natin. Bibigyan pa rin tayo mga 18 ka na. Yung relationship niyo ni Joma. Piliin niyo maging strong. Yun, makasaya ka sa buhay. Tsaka, yung katawan mo, kontrolin mo. Sige, yun lang. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Aika! Love you. Ingat! God bless. Chup, chup.
Hi, Pal. Happy birthday. Hindi ka palagi. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Tsaka, be thankful sa mga blessings na natatanggap mo. Ma-appreciate ko sana itong maganda surprise na ginawa